Now we have a fairly large, somewhat complicated design here, which has a whole lot of folders and bodies. We should simplify it a little bit. Like if you look at the front cap, all the hub parts are separate. In this lesson, we'll learn how to merge them with the Union tool. Let's start by opening up Items. Make sure you see all the folders. To speed up the process, we're going to use Folders to Union. To make sure this works, you need to switch All Items to Bodies. Great, now we see only bodies. Select Front Cap. Close Items and tap on Union. Now, let's repeat the same with the Frame folder. But notice that we also have the Terminal cap selected. Deselect it for a second. Now, an alternative way would be to select all bodies one by one. But in the case of the frame, with over 20 bodies, it would be quite a hassle. So let's select the folder again and learn to deselect unwanted bodies. To deselect a body, just simply long tap or double tap on it. Once deselected, tap on Union. Now our frame is one body. In the next lesson, we're going to create a mount on top of the frame.